In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen, such as your gameplay, from your laptop or computer. So if you want to start recording your gameplay, the easiest way to do this is to head over to an internet browser, and you need to type in OBS Studio and hit enter. Now this is a completely free application that we can use to record our screen and our games. So what you need to do is click on this top website, obsproject.com, and then select the operating system that you're using. So I'm going to click on Windows, and then that should appear in your downloads folder in the top right hand side. So from here, just click on this OBS Studio file, and now you'll simply need to go through the steps on the screen to install this to your device. Now once it's finished installing, simply open up the application on your computer, and once you have OBS Studio running, it will look something similar to this. So the first thing you want to do is just go and create a new scene, and you can do that by clicking on the plus icon in the bottom left, and we're just going to call this one gameplay, and then you can go and press OK. And now we need to add a new source, so to do that, click on the plus icon. And now you have a few different options here. You can just use display capture to capture your entire screen, and then go and press OK. In the capture method, you can leave this to automatic, and then just select your monitor from this list and press OK. Now you should see a preview of what this is recording in this window over here. If you just want to record a game window instead of your entire screen, then you can click on the plus icon and select game capture, but this display capture here also works fine to record your game. So once you've added your source, we need to click on File in the top navigation and click Settings. Then click on Output from the left navigation. In the output mode, you just want to select Simple, and then we're going to scroll down to the Recording tab here. Now for the recording path, this is where your saved videos are going to end up. So if you want to change this location, just click on the Browse button and select the folder where you want to save these videos. For the recording quality, I always like to keep this high quality medium file size, and the recording format, you want to make sure this is set to MP4, which is kind of the universal standard. For the video encoder, I have mine set to NV, and that's because I have an NVIDIA graphics card, or if you don't have an integrated graphics card, you could always just click on X264. Now to save all of these changes, make sure to click Apply in the bottom right hand side, and then we're going to click on the Audio tab. Now for the desktop audio, you just want to leave this as default, and then next to microphone, this is where you want to select any external microphones that you may have. So mine is this Yeti microphone over here, and that's what I'm currently recording on. Then what you need to do is click on the Video tab from the left, and for the resolution, I'd recommend setting this to 920 by 1080, and also the same for the output scaled resolution as well. If you have a larger monitor, you can increase this, but 920 by 1080 is generally the universal standard. For the FPS, I like to keep mine at 60 FPS, but if you're experiencing some kind of lag or it's running slowly, you could always try reducing this to 30. Then come over to the hotkeys tab on the left hand side, and it's always a good idea to set a hotkey for start and stop recording. So that way, the next time you're in your game, you can just press your hotkey and it will start recording straight away, instead of having to come back over to OBS and manually click the start recording button. So just set this to whatever key you want. I'd recommend using maybe one of the F keys, so I'm going to do F9, and I'm going to set the same key as well for stop recording, and then press Apply and OK. Now once you've done that, you're pretty much ready to go. The only thing I'd recommend doing now is reducing this desktop audio. Sometimes if you have your gameplay audio also as well as your microphone, it can kind of drown out your voice. So what I'd recommend doing is just reducing this desktop audio to around about half, and then once you're ready to start recording your games, you can either click Start Recording over here, or you can just simply launch up your game and press the hotkey that we just set, and that's going to go ahead and start recording your screen. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.